Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and I hope you all are safe. And welcome back to a fresh, amazing, exciting and bang on episode of Vehiculopedia. So friends, before going further, please hit the like button and press the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of the notifications. And friends, as you have seen the thumbnail and title, it is quite exciting and I am also very excited by making this video. So friends, as you know that the India is going to get its 36 Rafale combat aircrafts, out of which 5 aircrafts has landed on Ambala airstrip on 29 July 2020, which is on Wednesday obviously. So friends, in this video I'll tell you everything about the customized Indian Rafale fighter aircrafts, about its specifications, about its features and with what type of weapons it is equipped with. So friends, don't skip this video, watch this till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started to our video. So friends, let me start by telling you the basic information about the combat aircraft. So friends, talking about the company, the Dassault Rafale is a French name which denotes gust of wind and burst of fire in more military sense if we say. And Rafale is a French twin engine multi-role fighter aircraft which is designed and built by Dassault Aviation. And friends, the 5 Rafale fighter jets that arrived on Wednesday morning at Ambala airstrip will revive the Indian Air Force number 17 Golden Arrow Squadron. And friends, as you all know that India had bought 36 twin engine fighter planes from Dassault Rafale for an estimated price of 58,000 crore rupees. And friends, let me tell you that the state-of-the-art Rafale fighter belongs to a 4.5 generation type of combat fighter aircraft equipped with different option of missiles with maximum speed of 1.8 Mach. Yes friends, 1.8 Mach. That means that the Rafale can achieve almost twice the speed of sound. So friends, you must be knowing about the Mach speed, but still if you don't know, then let me tell you that Mach speed is defined as the speed of the aircraft by the speed of the sound. So if the Mach speed is more than 1, then that means that the aircraft is flying more than the speed of sound. So friends, by its multi-role capabilities including electronic warfare, air defense system, ground support, deep attacks, etc., the Rafale offers Indian Air Force the air dominance and total air superiority. Now friends, let's go straight to the basic specifications of Rafale aircraft. So friends, starting with the wing diameter, then this plane has the wing diameter of 10.9 meters. It has a longitudinal length of 15.3 meters. It has a height of 5.3 meters. And friends, when it is empty, then the overall weight of the jet is almost 10 tons. So the total weight that this aircraft can carry before taking off is almost 24.5 tons. The internal fuel capacity is 4.7 tons friends, and the external fuel capacity, as you have seen couple of days back, is up to 6.7 tons. Talking about its ferry range or the maximum range with the total fuel capacity is 3700 kilometers. Yes friends, it's 3700 kilometers, which is quite more if you compare it from its rivals. So friends, in this video I'm not going to tell you about any of its rivals. With some numbers I'll compare it. And friends, adding to that ferry range, it can fly for continuously 10 hours with fully loaded fuel capacity. So friends, as I said, the maximum speed that this plane can achieve at high altitude is 1.8 Mach. And friends, the landing ground run means the distance for landing which it requires is 450 meters, or in feet if I have to say is 1500 feet. And friends, talking about the maximum altitude at which this jet can fly is around 50,000 feet, which is quite promising and quite amazing feature friends. So friends, that's all about the specification of this aircraft. Now talking about the types of weapons that this aircraft can carry, then friends, let me tell you that every Rafale combat aircraft has 14 weapons storage stations. These fighter jets arrive with one of the most advanced air-to-air missiles, which is the Meteor missiles. And friends, you might have heard the name of these Meteor missiles. The Meteor missiles weighs around 190 to 200 kgs approximately, and it has more than 100 kilometers of beyond visual range, which is in abbreviation known as BVR, flying at a maximum speed of Mach 4, which is almost 2.22 times more than the speed of the Rafale aircraft. So with that range and with that speed, you can just imagine how incredibly this aircraft can perform. So friends, if we take these two factors, which is the range and the speed of this missile, it defines that if we compare it with one of its rivals, then it is unbelievable that before coming into the range of any other aircraft, the Rafale aircraft can even detect, lock and fire. So I think that is very big thing. Now friends, talking about another weapon, then these jets also come with a Scalp, which is the air to ground cruise missiles with the range over 300 kilometers, which is 3 times more than the Meteor missiles. And talking about one more missile, which is known as MICA or Mika, is also nothing but an air-to-air missile on Rafale aircraft, which is for both close quarter dogfight and for the BVR, or which is known as Beyond Visual Range. Friends, let me tell you that India has also demanded for HAMMER, which is a short form of Highly Agile and Maneuverable Munition Extended Range at the last minute, which if I tell you is an air-to-ground precision guided missile manufactured by French company Safran, which can be used against hardened targets in the form of bunker within 70 kilometers. So friends, that's all about the specifications and the type of weapons that this aircraft can carry. And friends, let me tell you that this aircraft also comes with a single seat option and twin seater type of options based on the requirement. So friends, this is a very proud moment for us, and let's wait for the other 31 Rafale aircraft to join the Indian Air Force, which will definitely enhance the strength in the air. So friends, that's all for today's video. I know you must have liked this video. Then do tell me by hitting the like button, and do tell me in the comment section about this video and what did you like the most in this aircraft. And friends, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon near to it so that you won't miss any of the notifications of my upcoming videos. Do share this video with your friends also, as this is very informative video. So friends, thanks a lot for watching. Be safe, have fun, keep watching. Jai Hind, and I'll see you in my next video.